Greetings from Lenawee County in the great state of Michigan. I am the Lenawee Trucker. I have yet another little project to take care of. It's this. I've got a replacement right here. Yeah, it don't look like it's burnt out, but I've lost my light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that out. Now, I'm not sure exactly how to do it. That burned out in 2,000 miles after we first got the thing. This is my work truck. And I insisted it go back to the dealership. The boss was like, well, just change the headlights. Like, well, it's only got 2,000 miles on it. We got to make a point that they know that they're not going to get away with that. Well, that was years and years ago. And now it's got over 100,000 miles on it. So let's see what we got up in here. It looks like Phillips. Looks like Phillips. So hang on a second. Alright, I've got myself a little Phillips with a magnetic bit on the end. Come on. That might be too big. Oh no, it gets in there. You know, my dad used to have a screwdriver where you could grasp the screws. There we go. Remember when it used to be easy to change a headlight? Yes, I'm a lazy bastard. I have a ratcheting screwdriver. Stop playing with the screwdriver and change the headlight, dummy. Let's just put that right there. Alright, let's see if we can't get this thing out of here too. With just minimum. No, I think I gotta take those bottom ones out of there. At least one of them. Oh dear. Ah, lucky, lucky, lucky. Fell down to the ground. Alright. Not the easiest to get to. But then again, not the most difficult either. There you go. Out. Easy, easy, easy. I'll be really pissed if there's like a little bulb thing that screws into the back. Nope, it's the sealed beam. Come on. Let it out, let it out, let it out. Yep. Good old-fashioned headlight. Really doesn't want to let go. There we go. Alright, for the 2015 Chevy Express work van. The seal beam is a Sylvania H6054, and now before you guys start saying, oh, you can't handle it, you can't handle it, no, it's different than your little beam and a little one where you put it up inside there, because this one, there's actually a little doohickey that's inside there, so touching the outside part of this ain't gonna hurt nothing. Alright, we slip that back into place. Alright, and we try. Oh, great. Of course not. All you gotta do is line it up with the hole. Yeah, right. All you gotta do is, I'll edit that out later. Alright, there you go. Now do yourself a favor, when you do these things, leave it loose. Now I know you're thinking, well, why do you leave it loose? Because you want to be able to fudge this thing around. And avoid what I just did. Okay, come on. Let it out of there. Alright, see, you still got lots of play in there. And that's what you want. Because you want to be able to get your screw up into that hole. Without losing it. There you go. When the last one is in, you can tighten down the screw. think we're there. Now you go back. You try to get your screwdriver back on those little suckers. You tighten those babies down. And there you have it. You've just changed out a headlight on a 2015 Chevy work van, express van. Let's see if it works. Look at that. I got low beams. Looks like I'll be changing this one out too in the future real soon. But it's still working, so I'm not going to worry about it. All in all, that's very much like changing out the headlights in the older cars. So Chevy has redeemed itself just a wee little bit in my eyes. That's how it's supposed to be. It's how it should be right there. But hey, it's the modern world, right? Oh well. At any rate, it's fixed. Oh, and there's one other thing I wanted to tell you. The screws to mount these things are right here and right here. It holds the retaining frame in. Do not, and I repeat, do not play with this one or this one. This one basically brings the headlight up or down, and this one brings it left or right, or I should say right or left on this, because it's the front of the van looking back. So you don't want to play with that one or that one. Only the ones around the perimeter, not the ones on top middle or top center. All right, cool. That's all I got. Runaway Trucker out.